This is a 600LT, and this is a straight pipe exhaust for the 600LT, made by yours truly over at Cen-Cal Motorsport. And today we're gonna be putting this exhaust system on the 600LT. This thing has a flame tune. It's gonna shoot some crazy flames out the top. And this is a new product for us, so we're gonna be doing some testing today, and we're taking you guys behind the scenes to show the process behind testing a new product and installing an exhaust system on a $200,000 Mclaren. Let's get into the video. So this exhaust here has an X-pipe design in the middle. If you guys know anything about the 600LT, the exhaust, like the cat back, is actually pretty minimal. And you guys will see it once we take all this stuff here off on the top, but it's two straight pipes coming up, and there's a silencer across the middle, but it doesn't have the true X, and that silencer does quiet it down just a little bit, although this car is already super loud. We're hoping to fix the note and get some big flames out the top of this thing with the Cen-Cal Motorsport exhaust. So we're gonna have our tech Nick start tearing this thing apart, and yeah, I'm super excited to see what this sounds like, so let's get into it.
650, restart, 600LT, bang, easy as that.
200,000 is on my head. I still get money when I'm gone and dead. Try to keep dropping it, try to keep popping it.
So as you guys can see right here, the catback exhaust is very minimal. This car already has catless downpipes. I believe these are from Soul Performance, and then this and up is the catback system. As you can see, it's just two straight pipes right here, but it has very small diameter. What's that, like an inch? Like an inch diameter, like a silencer. This quiets it down a bit, but with all the flow, this car's like still super loud. So we're looking to eliminate the silencer there, and also with the X-pipe, get that better tone that I was telling you guys about. But yeah, this catback is pretty minimal. It's probably the smallest exhaust we've ever installed. So we're gonna get this thing cooled off, and then we'll take this thing off and put the Cen-Cal system on.
I still get money when I'm gone and dead. Try to keep dropping it, try to keep popping it.
Wow, buddy thinks he's strong.
Keep on dropping it, try to keep popping it, try to shit weaker. Yes, I'm overly lit, but I'm tired. Play around with this shit and get fired. Popping one to the head to revive. And man, I actually had to drive. At the mountain, I'm finna go live. Got the studio filled with percussion. Got my wife in here ready to crash.
Boom, just like that, we got the Cen-Cal Motorsport F1 600LT exhaust in here. It is super secure, it's not going anywhere, and it is ready for some flames. This thing has like a crazy fuel dump. You hold a button, it dumps a bunch of fuel, big flames. It also has anti-lag, a bunch of other cool features, and it's on full E85. So got a few more things to assemble to wrap this up, but overall fitment was 10 out of 10. We didn't miss on any of the requirements there, so we're super happy that we don't have to change anything for the jig on this one. But yeah, we're gonna get those pieces on, and then let's get this thing started and see how it sounds.
Used to want pop in the pain, but shit is not the same now. I was right with you in the night.
We're headed over to a spot, get some sound clips, let it eat a little bit. We'll get some stuff on the way over there too. It's so good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I took it on a test drive already to make sure everything was good, make sure there was no issues. This thing sounds insane. The note is completely different. Car is a little bit louder too, but it has more of a high-pitched F1 note when you're on wide open throttle. And the flames, well, I can't see because it's daytime. I know it's flames. The pops are insane. All right, guys, we made it. We are here at our iconic spot with the 600LT. As you guys saw on some clips on the way over here, it sounds incredible. The full exhaust system on this is the X-pipe rear section, and the car already had catless downpipes. And this is our own design for the rear section here. And for the meantime, we're planning on keeping everything the same. We are planning on developing a valved system for this as well, and we will be doing some titanium variants and other variants, maybe some cool Inconel stuff coming soon. But overall, super happy with production 001 on our stainless steel 600LT system. I'm super excited to see this thing at night because it's gonna shoot crazy flames. But yeah, Nick killed it on the install, super quick. This exhaust system is pretty easy to do. So for any of you guys with 600LTs, you could probably do it yourself, or a trusted shop is always recommended. But yeah, I'm really excited to get some more content with this thing. We're gonna get some revving clips for you guys and probably some launch clips, some flybys, all that type of stuff. But yeah, it's just a beautiful car. It's a great car, and we're super fortunate to be able to make products for cars like this. You know, we had to get the Cen-Cal Motorsport decal along the whole side of this thing because it's Cen-Cal built. Mod your McLaren. Let's get some sound clips. I just wanted to let you guys know in this video, as you guys have been seeing on our YouTube channel, we've been doing a bunch of exhaust systems for a bunch of exotic cars, McLarens like this one here. We recently did a 720S. We've done a lot of Porsche systems. And if any of you guys watching have an exotic car, like a Porsche, Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari, any of that stuff, make sure to hit us up because we're looking to work with a lot of people on partial sponsorships to test some of our new developments that are coming out. Like you guys saw here today, this is one of our new developments, the 600LT exhaust. And even if you don't see an exhaust system for your vehicle on the site, make sure to hit us up. You can DM us on Instagram. You can email us at support@cencalmotorsport.com, or any other sales channels that you see on any of our social medias, and we'll see what we can do for you to get your car sounding right. Cen-Cal Motorsport. Mod your BMW, but I guess now mod your McLaren. So car looks beautiful. We're at a little spot here in Oceanside. This is another one of our go-to spots. Car's looking great. I can't wait till it gets a little darker outside so you guys can see the crazy flames that are gonna come out of the back of this 600LT.
Oh, grace, every time you come around, I feel okay. You help me see color in a world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. Ooh. Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like everything is brand new.
Have two 5-gallon gas tanks. Our dilemma is where we're going to shoot this car is a little bit far away. It's up a mountain, and this car burns so much gas. It's already on E, so it burns quicker. and it has the fuel dump and everything. With all the flames, it burns way too much fuel. We don't want to be stranded up there, so we're gonna bring some extra E85. It doesn't hurt. My tech Nick said I should definitely bring it, and he said I can drive the car however hard I want, fuel dump as many times if I have 10 gallons of E extra. So let's hope 10 gallons is enough. We'll update you guys if we get stuck. Wherever you're headed.
Stinky.
Seems full enough for, you know? Caden, so our thing is, we're gonna put these in your back seat and strap them in. Out of the reasoning that we can put them in the front, but they're not gonna spill. If they spilled, it would be better if it was in your car than this. They're not gonna spill.
Yeah, hopefully they don't
Next
spill.
dilemma, so the way these things are set up is the nozzle's in it like this, right? But then, when you take this out, right, say you go to fill it up.
One microfiber.
I know, but say you go to fill it up. Now this has gas on it because I can set it up this way. It won't spill. Should we set up this way and we're gonna strap them in? It won't spill.
But then what if it comes out?
No, because the way right now, the way to open it is pushing this in and pushing it down is how you get it to flow. Has this cap.
Hopefully it works. Hopefully it doesn't spill.
Hopefully the cap doesn't fall off internally. If it did, it wouldn't go into the gas tank, right? It would just stay in the jug. It's good.
Just try to spill it. Literally just tip it over.
It's good.
That seems good. Shake it, shake it.
No, don't shake it. It's good. It's not gonna get shaken.
It's not carbonated. It's gonna get shaken up when we're going up a mountain.
This is a mission. It smells lethal. What's up, guys? We're up here at this beautiful spot. As you can see, the sun is setting. We got a bunch of content. We have our boy Anthony's F80 over there as well. We did a super cool video with that, but like I said, we have the 600LT up here in the mountains, and as you can see, it's getting a little bit darker outside. The sun's going down, so we're gonna be seeing some flames coming out of this thing within the next few seconds here, and I'm super excited. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the day. We've been busy shooting a lot of content, taking a lot of calls, answering all you guys, but like I said, we're about to see some flames out of this thing. So without further ado, let's see some flames. Exactly why we brought the E85, and the whole time I was talking shit. I was like, we didn't need it, we didn't need it. We needed it, car cut out, and stow some E in it and get back on the road. We're almost done with the night on filming, but definitely got to fix this issue with no gas. So. Got it. Oh, good. Well, is it going in?
No, it's not going in. No, none of it went in.
Because of that?
No, I told you, because the nozzle's fucked. You have to get it in there. All the gas went into that hole right there, which is the drain.
You have to get it deep.
Keep it locked, try shoving it in there, and then unlock it when it's all the way in.
Yeah, we'll just have to wait a little bit for some gas to evaporate when you're done.
Try, don't lock it. Don't unlock it yet. It's fucking spilling out there.
Yeah.
No gas. We need a funnel.
We need a funnel.
Funnel and some twin snakes.
Oh,
yeah.
no, wait, let me see this funnel. Run said he's never seen the funnel. Sorry, he doesn't have it.
I got a few.
This is my first plan of attack, but it might get too
I was
thick.
thinking, like,
I like this one.
What if it was
Dude, you know how hard that's gonna take fucking 10 years to fucking get all the gas out.
I'll try this one, but like I just think
try that one
too
first.
Thick. Someone watch
Does the small one push it in?
No, nothing pushes.
Pull up a video, Kaden.
It's gonna take like.
We'll try it. I don't know.
Yeah, use the nozzle.
I'm not. You know, now you see.
Fuck yeah.
Is it?
We have action, baby.
It's going, right?
It's going.
Wow. We're in.
Dude, golden.
Let's go. Keep a light on me, boys. That's the one that saved us. It's gonna be a banger YouTube video. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Cen-Cal built, puto.
Got the Van Cleef with the E85.
We're fucking back, baby. Let's go get some more flames.
Wakey, wakey, bitch.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on the day with the 600LT. We did a bunch of stuff from installing the Cen-Cal Motorsport F1 exhaust on the 600LT. We took this car way up in the mountains. You guys saw the crazy flames that this thing spits. It's been a day of a lot of work and I'm excited you guys were able to come along with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for a lot more YouTube content coming in the near future. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.